This female desert elephant is the oldest in the herd. It's her responsibility to keep the rest alive. They can't survive for more than 4 days without a drink, so she leads them to the only permanent waterhole for 10 miles. But experience tells her something's not right. It's contaminated. If they drink here, they risk illness. She must look for water elsewhere. She has one of the best memories of any animal. And drawing on it, she recalls every feature of this landscape and creates a mental map of the area so she can take the fastest route through the desert. Here, the bushes are green. She knows the water must be close, but the riverbed is dry. The youngest in the herd are desperately thirsty. Using the most powerful sense of smell of any land mammal, she turns detective and does something truly remarkable. She digs 4 feet down until she strikes fresh water. The rest of the herd follow her lead, and there's enough to guzzle up to 40 gallons each. Her unrivaled knowledge of this desert has saved the herd.